హలో లాసెట్ ఆశావాదులారా, మా వెబ్సైట్లో ఇప్పటికే కొన్ని తెలంగాణ, ఏపీ లాసెట్ ప్రశ్నాపత్రాలు ఉన్నాయి. మేము మరిన్ని ప్రశ్నాపత్రాలను జోడించే ప్రక్రియలో ఉన్నాము. అయితే వెబ్సైట్ ప్రస్తుతం నిర్మాణ దశలో మాత్రమే ఉంది. ఆసక్తి ఉన్నవారు వెబ్సైట్ను సందర్శించి వివరాల కోసం చూడవచ్చు. 120 అంకెల ఏవైనా 2 ప్రశ్నాపత్రాల యాక్సెస్ కోసం నామమాత్రపు మొత్తం రూ. 25 చెల్లించాలి మరియు ఇది వెబ్సైట్ను నిర్మించడానికి మరియు ప్రజలు చేసే ప్రయత్నాలకు మాత్రమే. దయచేసి గమనించండి, ఏవైనా 2 ప్రశ్నాపత్రాల యాక్సెస్ 24 గంటలు మాత్రమే చెల్లుతుంది. ఈ భారీ మొత్తాన్ని చెల్లించగల సామర్థ్యం ఉన్నవారు మాత్రమే వివరణలో ఇవ్వబడిన ఇమెయిల్ ఐడికి అభ్యర్థనను పంపవచ్చు. మీ పరీక్షకు శుభాకాంక్షలు.
Question 1. Who invented the 3D printer? The correct answer is A. Chuck Hull. Question 2. Which vitamin is responsible for blood clotting? The correct answer is D. Vitamin K. Question 3. Who established the Brahmo Samaj reformist movement? The correct answer is C. Rajaram Mohan Roy. Question 4. India celebrates Civil Services Day to commemorate the address of which leader to the administrative service officers? The correct answer is D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question 5. In which state did the Indus International School introduce the first teaching robot in India? The correct answer is D. Telangana. Question 6. Which state has the longest coastline in India? The correct answer is B. Gujarat. Question 7. Quit India movement was started in the year. The correct answer is D. 1942. Question 8. Where is Gindi National Park located? The correct answer is C. Tamil Nadu. Question 9. Which of the following rivers has Musi River as one of its tributaries? The correct answer is D. Krishna. Question 10. Hirakud Dam is located in which state? The correct answer is A. Odisha. Question 11. Who discovered bacteria? The correct answer is B. Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Question 12. How many goals are there in the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, adopted by the UN? The correct answer is C. 17. Question 13. Gibraltar Straits connect which of the following? The correct answer is D. The Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea. Question 14. Who was known as the Martin Luther of India? The correct answer is A. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Question 15. BHIM full form is? The correct answer is B. Bharat Interface for Money. Question 16. Who among the following renounced his knighthood following the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? The correct answer is B. Rabindranath Tagore. Question 17. The actor to win the first ever Filmfare Award in the category of Best Actor for the film Dog is? The correct answer is C. Dilip Kumar. Question 18. Daily a human being must consume less than how many grams of salt? The correct answer is D. 5. Question 19. What is the theme of World Environment Day 2022? The correct answer is C. Only One Earth. Question 20. Which day is celebrated as World Health Day? The correct answer is B. April 7th. Question 21. If the second day of a month is Sunday, then what day will it be on the 31st of the same month? The correct answer is C. Monday. Question 22. In a certain code, monkey is written as XDJMNL. How is tiger written in that code? The correct answer is D. QDFHS. Question 23. If Z equals 52 and ACT equals 48, then BAT equals? The correct answer is C. 46. Question 24. Grass, erosion, dam. The correct answer is B. Water. Question 25. A clock is set right at 5 o'clock a.m. The clock loses 16 minutes in 24 hours. What will be the true time when the clock indicates 10 o'clock p.m. on the fourth day? The correct answer is C. 11 o'clock p.m. Question 26. A and B are a married couple, with A being the male member. D is the only son of C, who is the brother of A. E is the sister of D. B is the daughter-in-law of F, whose husband has died. How is E related to C? The correct answer is B. Daughter. Question 27. A woman introduces a man as the son of the brother of her mother. How is the man related to the woman? The correct answer is C. Cousin. Question 28. Find the odd one out. Veranda, cabin, room, chambert. Correct answer is A. Veranda. Question 29. Your mother is 4 years younger than your father. Your father is 6 times older than you. If you are 6 years old, what is your mother's age? The correct answer is D. 32 years. Question 30. Find the next letters in the given series: Jack, KBL, LCM, MDN. The correct answer is B. Neo. Question 31. The RBI has recently announced the withdrawal of the 2000 rupees denomination banknotes from circulation and allowed deposit or exchange of the 2000 rupees notes at banks until, the correct answer is A. September 30, 2023. Question 32. Which institution released the landslide atlas of India? The correct answer is
C. ISRO.
Question 33. Sonamara, also known as the Hockey Village, is located in which state? The correct answer is B. Odisha. Question 34. Recently, due to non-payment of salaries, nearly 100 pilots reported sick in which airlines? The correct answer is D. Alliance Air. Question 35. Safe harbor principle is associated with which act? The correct answer is C. The Information Technology Act, 2000. Question 36. T-Hub, Technology Hub, is an innovation intermediary and business incubator based in which state? The correct answer is A. Telangana. Question 37. Which institution introduced the global greenhouse gas monitoring infrastructure? The correct answer is D. World Meteorological Organization. Question 38. Who became the first tennis player to win 80 matches in all 4 Grand Slams? The correct answer is B. Novak Djokovic. Question 39. Sri C.R. Rao, a well-known Indian and American mathematician and statistician, was awarded with the International Prize in Statistics, which is equal to the Nobel Prize. He is at present how many years old? The correct answer is C. 102. Question 40. Which institution launched its Right to Information, RTI, online portal? The correct answer is B. Supreme Court of India. Question 41. Which organization released the Women, Business, and the Law Index? The correct answer is A. World Bank. Question 42. Which city corporation launched the World Bank's flagship gender toolkit? The correct answer is C. Chennai. Question 43. Which union ministry is set to host the World Food India 2023 event? The correct answer is B. Ministry of Food Processing Industries. Question 44. Who laid the foundation stone for the National Forensic Sciences University? The correct answer is C. Shri Amit Shah. Question 45. Which company has initiated Project Ellora to promote local languages in India's digital world? The correct answer is B. Microsoft. Question 46. In which city did Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi inaugurate the Arabic Academy? The correct answer is C. Mumbai. Question 47. Which country's first underground air force base is Eagle 44, Agab 44? The correct answer is D. Iran. Question 48. Which country has launched the pilot project called Welcome Course for Refugees? The correct answer is C. USA. Question 49. Which union territories became the first in India to completely shift to e-governance mode? The correct answer is A. Jammu and Kashmir. Question 50. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, approved lecanemab medication to treat which disease? The correct answer is C. Alzheimer. Question 51. Which country launched the domestic card scheme Afrigo to boost its cashless economy? The correct answer is A. Nigeria. Question 52. Which state government passed the bill providing 30% horizontal reservation to domiciled women? The correct answer is B. Uttarakhand. Question 53. National Cadet Corps, NCC, signed an MOU with which institution to tackle plastic pollution? The correct answer is D. United Nations Environment Programme, UNEP. Question 54. As per Central Pollution Control Board, CPCB, which city was the most polluted in India in 2022? The correct answer is A. New Delhi. Question 55. Which team won the Women's Premier League, WPL, 2023 final? The correct answer is B. Mumbai Indians. Question 56. Which country signed a deal with India to relocate dozens of cheetahs? The correct answer is D. South Africa. Question 57. Which country's population dropped by 850,000, declining for the first time since the Great Famine of 1961? The correct answer is B. China. Question 58. Which institution declares domestic systemically important banks, DSIBs, in India? The correct answer is A. Reserve Bank of India. Question 59. The World Economic Forum, WEF, chose which city to establish its Center for the Fourth Industrial Revolution? The correct answer is C. Hyderabad. Question 60. Which district became India's first constitution-literate district? The correct answer is B. Kollam. Question 61. Which constitutional amendment discontinued the nomination of 2 Anglo-Indian members to Lok Sabha? The correct answer is C. 104th. Question 62. Which of the following high courts exercises jurisdiction over the Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Islands? The correct answer is C. Calcutta High Court. Question 63. Absolute liability means. The correct answer is B. A person is liable for no fault of his. Question 64. NALCET vs. Union of India 2014. Case is related to. The correct answer is A. Recognition of transgenders as third gender. Question 65. Who was the first woman judge of the Supreme Court of India? The correct answer is
C. Justice M. Fatima Bibi.
Question 66. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the right to protection against arrest and detention in certain cases? The correct answer is C. Article 22. Question 67. In cognizable offenses, the correct answer is B. A police officer may arrest without warrant. Question 68. In camera proceedings in a court refers to. The correct answer is A. Private hearing. Question 69. Extradition means. The correct answer is B. Transportation of the accused or offender with mutual understanding between two countries. Question 70. A writ by the court, to a person or body of persons to compel it to perform some public duty is. The correct answer is C. Mandamus. Question 71. In lieu means. The correct answer is A. In place of. Question 72. Who can file an election petition in India? The correct answer is C. An elector or a candidate can file an election petition if he or she thinks there has been malpractice during the election. Question 73. Entry to a person's land or property without permission is called. The correct answer is C. Trespass. Question 74. Who is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha? The correct answer is C. The Vice President of India. Question 75. Donoghue vs. Stevenson case relates to. The correct answer is B. Negligence. Question 76. The Governor General who is known as the Liberator of the Press is. The correct answer is B. Charles Metcalfe. Question 77. Who among the following is the author of the book Off the Bench? The correct answer is
B. Justice V.R. Krishna Iyer.
Question 78. Who is the custodian of the Constitution of India? The correct answer is C. The Supreme Court. Question 79. Which of the following is not a fundamental duty of the citizen of India? The correct answer is D. To pay income tax. Question 80. Who among the following presided over the first meeting of the Constituent Assembly? The correct answer is C. Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. Question 81. The oldest high court in India is. The correct answer is A. Calcutta High Court. Question 82. The Electoral College for the election of the President of India consists of. The correct answer is C. Elected members of the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, legislative assemblies of all the states and all union territories. Question 83. The Estimates Committee of the Indian Parliament comprises of. The correct answer is B. 30. Question 84. The boundary line between India and China is known as. The correct answer is B. McMahon Line. Question 85. Arun instigates Balu to murder Kumar. Balu refuses to do so. Arun is guilty of. The correct answer is C. Abetment. Question 86. Minimum age required to contest for office of the President is. The correct answer is C. 35 years. Question 87. In case of vacancy of office of both the President and Vice President of India, who shall act as the President of India? The correct answer is A. Chief Justice of India. Question 88. Double jeopardy means. The correct answer is B. A person cannot be punished twice for the same offense. Question 89. Who was the first Chief Information Commissioner of India? The correct answer is
D. Wajahid Habibullah.
Question 90. De novo means. The correct answer is A. New. Question 91. Which of the following bodies is not set up under the Constitution of India? The correct answer is D. National Human Rights Commission. Question 92. What is the maximum duration of a money bill in the Rajya Sabha? The correct answer is C. 14 days. Question 93. Who for the first time put forward the idea of Constituent Assembly for India in 1934? The correct answer is D. M. N. Roy. Question 94. Which commission was appointed to investigate the circumstances that warranted the declaration of an emergency in 1975? The correct answer is D. Shah Commission. Question 95. A person who is not a member of Parliament can be appointed as a minister by the President for a period of. The correct answer is D. 6 months. Question 96. Fundamental rights have been taken from which constitution? The correct answer is C. American Constitution. Question 97. The 44th Amendment Act of 1978 to the Constitution of India. The correct answer is A. Deleted the fundamental right to acquire, hold, and dispose of property. Question 98. Who appoints the Attorney General of India? The correct answer is C. President of India. Question 99. Which of the following is entrusted with the statutory duty of laying down the standards of professional conduct and etiquette for advocates in India? The correct answer is A. Bar Association of India. Question 100.
A person dying intestate means?
The correct answer is
D. Died without executing a will.
Question 101. Debenture holders of a company are the companies. The correct answer is A. Creditors. Question 102. Apostasy means. The correct answer is C. Renunciation of a religion. Question 103. A prerogative writ used to command a person or a public authority who is detaining another in custody to produce that person before the court is. The correct answer is A. Habeas corpus. Question 104. By which constitutional amendment was the voting age reduced from 21 to 18 years? The correct answer is A. 61st Amendment of 1988. Question 105. United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, UNCTAD, is headquartered at. The correct answer is C. Geneva, Switzerland. Question 106. Which High Court exercises jurisdiction over LAWCET? The correct answer is C. Kerala High Court. Question 107. CEDAW is the acronym of. The correct answer is B. Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women. Question 108. Whoever commits or conspires to commit cyberterrorism shall be punishable with imprisonment which may extend to under the Information Technology Act, 2000. The correct answer is A. Imprisonment for life. Question 109. The High Courts in India do not possess. The correct answer is C. Advisory jurisdiction. Question 110. What is the name of the first Chief Justice of India? The correct answer is
B. H.J. Khania.
Question 111. What are the rights enshrined in Article 14 of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is A. Right to equality and equal protection of the law. Question 112. Who is entitled to the right to equality under the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is B. All the citizens. Question 113. What is the basis of the Indian legal system? The correct answer is A. Common law principles. Question 114. What is the function of the Supreme Court of India? The correct answer is D. To interpret the Constitution and make binding judgments. Question 115. Indian judiciary is. The correct answer is D. Independent and impartial. Question 116. As per the passage, which is the best antonym for skeptical? The correct answer is D. Trustworthy. Question 117. The main purpose of the passage is to. The correct answer is A. Expose the logical flaws in potential counterarguments. Question 118. The tone of the author can best be described as. The correct answer is D. Firm. Question 119. According to the opinion of the author, some accidents are. The correct answer is A. Unavoidable. Question 120. Which of the following statements can be described as one of the author's unstated assumptions? The correct answer is D. Individuals should be responsible for the costs of their own medical care if they bear some responsibility for their injuries.